Namaste Gurukulians, how are you dear students? Hope you will be fine. Myself Subhas. Today we will study class 11th accountancy. In first video lecture, I told you how to record the transactions in journal. I told you the basics. Generally, whenever we record a transaction, it affects at least two accounts. And these two accounts are divided in three categories: personal accounts, real accounts, and third, nominal account. Types of accounts. So whenever a transaction take place, it will affect two accounts as per double entry system. Every transaction has twofold effect. So when two accounts which will be affected, these two accounts may be either personal, real or nominal. इन दो में से कोई भी हो सकता है, दोनों पर्सनल हो सकते हैं, एक पर्सनल एक रियल हो सकता है, एक पर्सनल एक नॉमिनल हो सकता है. So first of all, you have to identify which two accounts are affected. Then you will find out the nature. Nature is personal, real or nominal. If you know the nature, you can apply the rule. As you know that rule for personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. जो पाने वाला था उसको डेबिट करते हैं, देने वाले को क्रेडिट करते हैं. If it is real account, then डेबिट वर्ड कम्स इन, क्रेडिट वर्ड गोज आउट. असेट है या तो वो आई है, उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी है, आप डेबिट करोगे. इफ असेट इज सोल्ड, डिस्कार्डेड, डिस्ट्रॉयड, इट विल बी क्रेडिटेड. थर्ड, नॉमिनल अकाउंट. दीज आर रिलेटिंग टू इनकम्स, एक्सपेंसेस, प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस. तो इफ इट इज इनकम, इट इज गेन, यू विल क्रेडिट. इफ इट इज एन एक्सपेंस और लॉस, you will debit the account. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So it is very important for you, dear students, that you must know the rules of all these three accounts. If you don't know the rules, then you can't record. Every time you will commit a mistake. The simple funda is that first of all, identify which two accounts are affected. Then what is the nature, personal, real or nominal. After it, apply the rule and definitely you will debit or credit the correct account. So today we will start the questions from the book, D.K. Goyal book, and we will do exercise numericals, practical questions. See, this is page number 9.59, practical questions, question number 1. So first of all, you will prepare the format. In the format of journal, there are 5 columns. First column is for date, then particulars, after it LF means ledger folio, then amount debit, and at last amount credit. So these 5 columns you are to prepare. This is practical question number 1. See, enter the following transactions in the journal of Manohar Lal and Sons. So you will write on the top, journal of Manohar Lal and Sons. Write date first, 2019 March 1. मनोहर लाल एंड सन स्टार्टेड बिजनेस विद कैश. कैश से बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया. तो दिस ट्रांजैक्शन विल इफेक्ट टू अकाउंट्स, वन इज कैश अकाउंट क्योंकि बिजनेस में कैश आया, सेकंड कैपिटल अकाउंट, दीज टू अकाउंट्स विल बी इफेक्टेड। कैश अकाउंट की नेचर क्या है? इट इज रियल अकाउंट, असेट है। रूल इज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट। तो कैश कम्स इन तो यू विल डेबिट कैश अकाउंट। अमाउंट इज 60,000। नाउ कैपिटल अकाउंट, whose capital account is this? Mr. मनोहर लाल्स कैपिटल अकाउंट। ही इज द गिवर, मनोहर लाल ने पैसे लगाए बिजनेस में। पर्सनल अकाउंट, क्रेडिट द गिवर। तो मनोहर लाल्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, क्रेडिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट 60,000। राइट द नरेशन, बिजनेस स्टार्टेड विद कैश। Okay, so when a particular account is debited, you will write from the beginning of this column, particular column, cash account, and at last you will write debit. Amount column 60,000. And for account which is to be credited, you will use the word to, and you will left some space here. You will not start from here. Leave some space, and we use the word to capital account. Credit word use नहीं करते, टू वर्ड यूज करते हैं। कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट। नाउ मार्च 2, परचेज फर्नीचर फॉर कैश 10,000। तो इट विल इफेक्ट टू अकाउंट, वन इज फर्नीचर अकाउंट, सेकेंड इज कैश अकाउंट। फर्नीचर खरीदा ना कर, दो अकाउंट इफेक्ट होंगे, फर्नीचर अकाउंट, कैश अकाउंट। Now identify the nature of both the accounts. Both are assets, तो both are real accounts. फर्नीचर अकाउंट भी रियल है, कैश अकाउंट भी रियल है, तो अप्लाई द रूल। डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, फर्नीचर, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट, कैश। तो डेबिट फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट। ओके, अमाउंट 10,000। राइट द नरेशन, फर्नीचर परचेज। Okay. Third, on 4th March, purchase goods for cash 25,000. March 4. When goods are purchased, we will open purchase account. $25,000. Once I want to tell you, for goods we open 4 accounts. One is purchase account, second is sales account, third is purchase return account, and fourth is sales return account. What is the meaning of goods? Those things in which trader deals. जब भी गुड्स खरीदा है, बेचा है, खरीदा था वापस कर दिया, या बेचा था वापस आ गया, we will open these accounts. When goods are purchased, we will open purchase account. Okay? When goods are sold, we will open sales account. जब गुड सेल किया था वापस आ गया, सेल्स रिटर्न। It is also called as returns inward account. When goods purchased, we return back to the supplier, we will open purchase return account. It is also called as return outward account. So here goods are purchased, we will open purchase account. Goods purchased for cash, so it will affect two accounts. One is purchase, the second is cash account. So what is the nature of purchase account? It is nominal. All the 4 accounts are nominal account. Nominal. Purchase is expense for us. Rule is debit all expenses and losses. That's why purchase account is debited. So purchase account debit. Second, cash account. Cash is paid. Real account, credit what goes out. to cash account 25,000. Write the narration goods purchase. When a particular asset is purchased, you will open the asset account. If furniture is purchased, you will debit furniture account. Machinery is purchased, you will debit machinery account. Building is constructed, you will debit building account. If goods are purchased, you will debit purchase account. Okay. Next transaction. Fifth, bought goods from Kamlesh 15,000. When the name of a person is given, it means goods are purchased on credit. उधार खरीदा है. So when goods are purchased, we will open purchase account. Nominal account debit. Second account which will affect is account of Kamlesh. Personal account, name of a person. Rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here Kamlesh is giver, credit the account of Kamlesh to Kamlesh. One thing more, we never use the word account after the name of a person. किसी भी person के नाम के साथ हम account word use नहीं करते. Only just write the name. Purchase account debit to Kamlesh 15,000. Write the narration goods purchased on credit. Okay. Then 10th March paid cash to Kamlesh 15,000. Kamlesh को पेमेंट कर दी on March 16 next day. Now Kamlesh is receiver. Personal account debit the receiver. Kamlesh debit. Cash is paid to cash account. Cash is real account. Credit what goes out. It is personal account debit the receiver. So 15,000. Write the narration. Cash paid to Kamlesh. Okay. If your page is over, then you will total all the amounts 60 plus 70 and 795, 1,10,000, 1,25,000. You will write here balance CD और बैलेंस CF भी लिखते हैं कई बार. बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन और कैरिड फॉरवर्ड, CD और CF. तो यू विल राइट दिस टोटल ऑफ बोथ साइड एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट पेज. सी इफ यू स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट पेज फ्रॉम हेयर, बैलेंस BD brought down 1,25,000. You can write here BF brought forward, carried forward, brought forward, or carried down, brought down. Now continue. (2019) March 16. Purchase goods from Sohan 6,000. Again we will debit purchase account. Because it is nominal account, expense for us. Debit all expenses and losses to Sohan. Second account which will affect is Sohan. Sohan is personal account. Rule of personal account is debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here Sohan is giver, so you will credit the account of Sohan. Amount is 16,000. Write the narration. Goods purchased credit. Okay. Next 18. परचेज गुड्स फ्रॉम सोहन फॉर कैश. सोहन अब नाम आ गया लेकिन कैश लिखा था, इट इज परचेज फॉर कैश. तो वी विल नॉट ओपन द अकाउंट ऑफ सोहन. परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट, expense, debit the expenses to cash. Instead of Sohan we will credit cash account क्योंकि कैश पेमेंट करी. रियल अकाउंट क्रेडिट what goes out. Amount is 8,000. Write the narration. Goods purchased, or you can write goods purchased for cash. अब सोहन से गुड्स खरीदा, पेमेंट कर दी. अगर हम सोहन को क्रेडिट कर दें क्योंकि गिवर है तो ही विल बिकम आवर क्रेडिटर. अब सोहन को क्रेडिट कर दिया तो वो हमारे क्रेडिटर की लिस्ट में आ जाएगा. इसका मतलब सोहन को हमें आउट 8,000 पे करने हैं, बट वी हैव पेड ऑलरेडी. तो वी विल नॉट ओपन हिज अकाउंट. परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट बिकॉज कैश इज पेड. एंड March 20. पेड रेंट फॉर द ऑफिस. So it will affect two account. One is rent account. What is the nature of rent account? It is nominal account. Expense for us, debit the expense. Second, cash is paid. So to cash, real account, credit what goes out. Amount is 1,000. Write the narration. Paid rent. At last you will total both the sides. So total will be 1,40,000. 140. Okay. Now see question number 2. Prepare the format. Second question. Enter the following transactions in the journal of Messrs. Tripathi Brothers. To write journal of Messrs. Tripathi Brothers. Date, particulars, ledger folio, amount debit, amount credit rupees. (2019) January 6. See, goods sold for cash 36,000. So it will open two accounts. One is cash account, second is sales account. So when goods are sold, we open sales account. So these two accounts will be affected. Now identify the nature. What is the nature of cash account? It is a real account because it is an asset. And rule for real account is debit what comes in. We नकद गुड सेल करा, कैश आया तो डेबिट कैश अकाउंट. सेल्स अकाउंट इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट, इट इज इनकम फॉर अस. रूल इज क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम्स एंड गेन्स. तो क्योंकि इनकम है इसलिए हम क्रेडिट करेंगे. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. अमाउंट इज 36,000. Write the narration. Goods sold for cash. January 8. Sold goods to Hari. When name is given, it means it is credit sales. So you will not debit cash. Instead of cash, you will debit Hari. Personal account, he is the receiver. Hari debit to sales. Amount 30,000. Right narration, goods sold on credit. Okay. Next, 14. Received cash from Hari 18,000. Cash is received. Real account debit what comes in. From whom cash is received? Hari. It is personal account. Giver है. In personal account, credit the giver. Rule is debit the receiver, credit the giver. तो cash account debit to Hari. Amount is 18,000. Write the narration. Cash received from Hari. 18,000. Next, 26th. It was on 14. Then January 26. Received commission 750. It will affect two account. One is cash account. Second is commission account. Cash is real account. Asset, debit what comes in. So cash account debit. What is the nature of commission account? It is nominal account, income. The rule is credit all incomes and gains. The amount is 750. Cash account debit to commission account 750. Right? Received commission. Then 27. Paid salary to Gopal. Which two accounts will affect? One is salary account. Second is cash account. इसमें एक थर्ड अकाउंट भी हो सकता है, अकाउंट ऑफ गोपाल. अब गोपाल को सैलरी पे की है, पर्सनल अकाउंट है. अगर हम गोपाल डेबिट कर दें तो ही विल बिकम आवर डेटर. डेटर की लिस्ट में चला जाएगा. डेटर से पैसे लेने हैं. अब गोपाल को सैलरी पे की, पैसे तो नहीं वापस लेने हैं. तो दैट्स वाई वी विल डेबिट सैलरी अकाउंट. गोपाल अकाउंट इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. तो सैलरी इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट. रूल इज डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस. तो कैश इज पेड रियल अकाउंट. क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सैलरी इज 1200. You will mention in narration salary paid to Gopal. Now on 28. Received cash from Hari 12,000. So cash is received. Real account debit what comes in. Cash account debit. Second account which will affect is Hari. Hari is personal account. He is giver. Credit the giver. So cash account debit to Hari 12,000. Amount is cash received cash 12,000. So write the narration. Cash received from Hari. Okay. Page is over. Now total. Right here. Balance CF carried forward. Total is 30,750, 950. Then 2, 3, 11, 6, 17. 1, 2369 97,950. Okay, so when you will start from the next page, you will brought forward these balances first. You will write here balance BF. BF means brought forward. 97,950. Okay, now start. 2019 29 January 29. We drew cash from office for personal use. जब भी ऑफिस का मनी, ऑफिस का गुड्स पर्सनल पर्पस के लिए यूज होता है, दैट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज ड्रॉइंग्स. तो यू विल ओपन ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट. It is the drawings account of Messrs. Tripathi Brothers. Personal account. Now Messrs. Tripathi Brothers is the receiver. क्योंकि ये त्रिपाठी ब्रदर्स का ड्राइंग अकाउंट है. पर्सनल अकाउंट है, डेबिट द रिसीवर. ड्राइंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश इज यूज्ड. तो रियल अकाउंट क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. कैश गोज आउट तो 4,000. राइट द नरेशन. कैश यूज्ड for personal purpose. Okay, then 30 January 30 wages paid. So you will open wages account. It is nominal account. Expense for us, debit all expenses and losses. Wages debit. Cash is paid to cash. Real account credit what goes out. 7,200. Paid wages. Next 30 again. Bought machinery for cash. So machinery is an asset. You will open asset account, machinery account. Second, cash account. Machinery and cash both are real accounts because both are assets. So apply the rule. Debit what comes in machinery, credit what goes out, cash. So machinery account debit to cash account 8,000. Machinery purchase. Okay, now total both the sides. So total will be 3 lakh. Maybe not 3 lakh. This is 1,17,150. 117,150. So in this way you will record. See third question. 2018 October 1. Enter the following transactions in the journal of Sahil Brothers. तो purchase goods from Anil for cash. तो Anil's account will not be open. Goods purchase, cash is paid. Purchase account debit to cash. Third, purchase goods from Atul. Now it is credit purchase. Purchase account debit to Atul. Return goods to Atul. When goods are returned, when goods were purchased, we have debited purchase account. Now goods purchase is returned back. You will open purchase return account. Return goods to Atul. So you will open first account of Atul. Personal account. रिसीवर है उसको वापस किया डेबिट द रिसीवर. अतुल डेबिट टू परचेज रिटर्न. इट इज नॉमिनल अकाउंट. परचेज रिटर्न का मतलब गुड्स खरीदा था, एक्सपेंस था, वापस कर दिया, वो नो नीड टू पे दैट मनी, इट विल बी ट्रीटेड एज इनकम. तो नॉमिनल अकाउंट क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम्स एंड गेन्स. Atul debit to purchase return. Next, paid cash to Atul. Atul is receiver. Atul debit to cash. Charu returned 20% of the goods. अब इससे पहले 10 को सेल किया था चारू को, तो जब चारू को गुड सेल किया था, चारू डेबिट टू सेल्स, अब उसने 20%, 1 लाख का 20% रिटर्न कर दिया 20,000, तो यू विल ओपन सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट. इट इज ए नॉमिनल अकाउंट, इट इज लॉस फॉर अस, गुड्स वापस आ गया तो डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस टू चारू. पर्सनल अकाउंट, चारू इज गिवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर 20,000. Okay, sales return account debit to Charu. Then rent paid expense, rent debit to cash. And last is Sahil withdrew for personal use, that is drawing. So drawing debit to cash. We have done this entry. So today this is this much. In next video lecture we will continue the same chapter. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.